Hello and welcome. This is a tutorial for elementary students. We're going to explore 3D Slash. This is the program we're going to use to 3D print from. So I kind of want to just give you a little bit of the basics today. So what you're going to need to do when you log in is you're going to need to go to 3D Slash. You can go to the Technology Center website, and here's the 3D Slash icon. You'll click on that, it'll load. Now, you may have someone's name here. If someone's name is there, you can always log them out. Yes, I do really want to log out. And now we don't need to log in right now for today because today is just an exploratory day. We're going to hit create. This reminds me a lot of Minecraft. You will end up breaking apart a brick. So we're going to choose the classic brick and we'll just click OK. Now, it's going to give you a little tutorial if you want it, but I'm kind of giving you that same one right now so you can hit the X. You start out with a hammer tool. The hammer tool lets you break bricks, just like Minecraft lets you break the bricks away. Now, you can adjust the size of the bricks, making them bigger or smaller. I will tell you 32 is huge. You will not probably want to do that, but maybe you do. And you can break away some bricks with any size you want, and you can even get to smaller size bricks and do some finer details, and it'll automatically zoom in as you break things away. In the library, you can see projects that other students have made to kind of give you an idea and where to go from. So kind of have an idea of what you want to do. But today is pretty exploratory, so just kind of break around, mess with it, and you'll notice you can break all the way right through if you hit enough times, and you can see right through your object. Now, you make a mistake, you didn't want to do that, you can always hit the undo button and it'll rebuild, and then unrebuild or whatever you were working on. Otherwise, you can always choose a tool, and this is the hammer. Notice it removes one cube at a time, and this tool is the trowel. It will rebuild one cube at a time. We have the chisel for removing slices of the cube, and then this wood paste for rebuilding the slices of the cube, and then to remove a piece with the drill. I mainly use the trowel and the hammer. So once I choose the trowel, I click OK. Now you get to choose the color you want. It's kind of nice to build it with a different color. Our 3D printer will not print in different colors. Your choices are green or orange, and so you can use those. Now, I added onto the outside of my brick, so it's going to say this overflows the work area. Is that okay? Yes, you can overflow the workstation area. That is fine if you want to. If you make them too large, though, I do edit them and make them appropriate. So you can add, but don't add too much, I guess is what I'm saying. As you add on different things, you can see it's sticking out over the edges there. Sometimes you just want to fill in things as you go too. Lots of cool projects have been made in the other room. Check those out. What I want you to know, though, is that you have the tools here. You can kind of play around with those different things here. Like I say, mostly it's the hammer or the trowel. And you can go ahead and break and do and whatever you need to do on here. It's kind of fun to make your own design. Today, you will not save your project. We need to go through and log in, and we're not going to do the logging in just yet because it's a little bit complicated. So today is just a play around day. Everything that's on here will be lost, but it is good to kind of get an idea of what you are going to work with because we will end up 3D printing these soon. So that is my quick little tutorial of 3D Slash, letting you create. Oh, I should show you one more thing. Let's say that you are not happy with this at all. This was just your first go around. You have a little extra time. You can always hit the file button and you can create a new model right here. And classic. Okay. So again, hit the file folder, create a new model, classic. Okay. And you can start over again because the first time usually isn't good. I know how that goes. It wasn't good for me the first time I made mine. Either we had a lot of fun, though, and get a lot of different things. Please do not copy your neighbor. Come up with your own ideas. Be as creative as you can. That's my quick little tutorial on 3D Slash.